going to make a new animation for each of these sliced up emojis. And so you're going to want to make sure you click this image here. That is the image up in the top right corner. And you could see, if you go back to scene, you could see that you have it selected. Now I'm going to keep an eye on the animator. And let's rename this image finally. I'm going to keep the word image there just so it kind of reminds us that this component image is there. And then we're going to just say emoji. Okay, so what happened? Image emoji. I do not know why it went to a number 5 like that. Weird. Okay, now we are going to create new animation. So when I have this emoji image selected, we can then come down in this animation window and we can click here and create a new clip. Okay, and we are going to go ahead and put this in the assets animations folder, right? And we're going to call this, if I click that one, it'll give me that name, and then I'm going to change this to a 2. So we're going to say face animation 2. Hit save, and now we have face animation 2 here, and then it created this state here. Okay, make sure we go back and select this image, and now we can hit this arrow to open this up. Let me see if I can make this larger so you can see better. And I'm holding shift and I'm selecting each one of these images, and then I'm going to drag them all into that window. Now, some of you didn't have the samples open, and I think we found it over here in show sample rate. Okay, and I believe we changed it in the last tutorial to 5, right? So now we have an animation here, and if we play it, you could see it play because we have this selected, or at least I think we do. It should anyway. We have that selected, and if we push play, it'll play face animation 2. So you could kind of test. You could like say, hold on, let me see what face animation 1 looks like. Okay, now let me test face animation 2. Okay, good. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the others now. Okay, so we're gonna add a new clip. We'll go face animation 3. Okay, it opens up a new little window there. Let's go ahead and click all these, drag them in there, make the sample 5. Let's take a look at it. And oh, it didn't do the 5. It said at 60. You see how fast that went? It's too fast. And I don't know why I guess you have to hit enter or return after you push the 5. Okay, so there's the third one. Let's kind of organize this a little bit. Let's make a new one for the fourth clip. For the fourth one. Okay, and ta-da, let's grab all these, put them in there. Oh, you have to drag it lower. So why isn't it accepting them? Maybe let's select that. Oh, it did get in there. Weird. Okay, not sure what was going on there, but it seems to have worked. Okay, so there's the fourth one, and then let's create the fifth one. Create a new clip and create the fifth one. Okay, so hit save and select each one of these, and so I guess maybe they're there and I just can't see it. Push. Yeah, it's there and I just don't see the little. Not sure why they're not showing up. What's going on there? But they're actually there. I think something's just funky going on with the editor there. Anyway, so they're all working, so I can take a look. There's the next one, and then 3. Okay, so create each one of these, and then what we'll do is we'll write code to assign separate buttons to click and make the emoji play what we want. But before I let you go, we can go back to scene. If I select this emoji image here, you could use any one of these tools to change the scale, or you can come over here in the inspector and change the scale. Let's go 2 times the width and the height. And now the Z, that's going, that's depth that we don't really need to adjust. And I can show you what I mean by there. So if I go 3D mode, the Z axis, you can see the colors match. That's the Z axis right there. We don't need to change this at all. Matter of fact, for an image, you can make this, you know, as big as you want and it doesn't change it. So I'm just going to leave it at 1. Okay, and then go back to 2D mode, and we can move this guy a little bit wherever we want, if you want to set him right there or whatever. And then there we have it. Okay, and then in the next tutorial we will write some code, make some new buttons and write some code. Okay, so have fun making all those different animations. Make sure you save your file and have fun.